Hi everyone. I have things to unbox. So let's unbox them. Ooh, this one is exciting. Uh, Movie files, or cinephiles, I should say, will be excited for this one. If you've ever seen the documentary American Movie, which if you haven't, you should because it's uh, legitimately awesome. They talk a lot about this movie, and I'm very excited to finally be the proud owner of Coven, or as it should be pronounced, Coven. But Mark Borchardt, who is one of the filmmakers profiled in American Movie, uh, made Coven, and this is a VHS copy that I'm so excited to have. Um, his 40-minute horror movie, as indie as it gets. And yeah, this is awesome. I don't know if it came like this or if I just did this, but this sucks. I already kind of broke it. It's probably a cheaply made box, so it doesn't ruin it for me. I absolutely love this. Thank you, Mark. I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not sure why I'm saying thank you because I bought it, but either way, I am thankful and grateful that it exists in this world. Next box. This is an eBay uh, winning auction. Two items that I legitimately have only ever seen in stores a handful of times, and yeah, I used to own these. I'm gonna need to do some inspecting to see for sure if these are. It looks like they're real. Yeah, I mean that's the problem when you're buying stuff on eBay is you're never 100% sure if it's gonna be like the legit item or not. But yeah, these look good. Little bit of spot or two on the CD. Um, Checking out this one. Yeah, that's the same design. There's a little bit of spot on that one too. I'll clean them up real nice and pop them in stereo. I guess I didn't really show them off, did I? Liquid Tension Experiment 1 and 2. Released on Magna Carta. And yeah, they're getting ready to release their third record after 20 something years. So I'm very excited about that. And I figured I needed to rebuy these. Oh, fun story about this album. I was living with a couple of buddies in about 2006, and we were all kind of crazy drunks. And one said individual took this record. I remember it for the pink outline, and he held it in front of me, and in a drunken blackout state, snapped it in half. Caused many contentious evening between us from then out. I don't know if what I said just made sense, but Last of the packages to open today. I purchased this through the Twin Peaks Showtime merch page. If you know Twin Peaks The Return, then you know this is from one of the most insane episodes of TV to ever air. Episode 8, I think it is, of Twin Peaks The Return. I've had my eye on that for a while, so I got that. That's it. I got some stuff. I'm excited about the stuff. Hope you are too. See you next time.